ZMI is Zone Management Interface. Here, one thing is, not everyone in your organization knows how to do HTML. Okay? So, if that is the situation, then don't expect a lot of people to contribute value to your portal. Because they'll say, oh no, since you're the only one that knows how to do HTML, we pass on the work to you. Right? Which is something you probably don't want. You want to have less work, right? You just want to give them the tools and the know-how to actually start contributing information themselves. So, if your interface is very similar already to doing Gmail, doing Facebook, drag and drop, attach here, click on there, navigate here, etc., which is what you have in Plone, then it's easy for them to do it themselves instead of having to rely on the central IT department or the IT personnel to take care of everything, especially for information that has to be shared for the entire organization. And if it were video, so even the most non-technical user, you just take a shot, take a clipping, upload to Plone, put in your title, it's on the web. Or it's on the internet. Okay, just for a little demo. TED Talks files, the ones that we saw, are MP4 files. So if you type MP4 here, it will say that there are 2,863 MP4 files already. So that's a pretty substantial number already, right? Okay. What if we type on it or MP4 or FLV? So both Boolean operator, MP4 or FLV. So from 2,800, it's now 4,055. Okay. So or let's look at the audio files, MP3 files or MP3. So there's now 5,166 objects of MP4 flash video and MP3 files. Let's say, or PDF, Acrobat files. There's now 5,500. Okay? So, point is, we're talking, I don't know if your organization will need to, at least for the internet, have 20,000 videos. You'll probably do a few hundred videos, right? Plone can easily handle that sort of thing. Now, if you're talking about 3-minute video clips for credit investigation, credit reporting, that's probably 10, 20, 30,000, right? And then twice a year or 3 times a year you update or whatever. That's the one that has to be planned for to scale. But it already shows that 5,000, 6,000 videos, objects, it can still go. Let me just caution you about video and the video formats. Because there's that battle that's going on. What will be the dominant video format? Microsoft has WMA, WMV. Okay. Adobe has Flash Video. YouTube began with Flash Video, but since Google came in, they're becoming more open, they're beginning to promote MP4 instead of just Flash Video. Because now there's more players in hardware. So not all videos will play in specific devices or browsers or players. So I call it codec hell. It's like there's so many hundreds of combinations. It works here, doesn't work here. The video plays here, but the audio doesn't play. The video works here, but the audio is distorted. The audio works here, but the video is distorted, etc., etc. So that's the big, it's a concern, because people will say, yes, I tried using the files, downloading the files, but it didn't work. It didn't play in my device. So you have to, if you're going to adopt this thing, start modest. Like everybody knows or has downloaded from YouTube. So everybody can play a Flash video file. So if you started with Flash video, these are very small files. The chances are many already have the Flash video player. So they'll, the first experience, oh yes, I used it and I was able to download the video. Oh yes, I have my own video and I uploaded my Flash video and I shared it with the rest of the group. Okay. Then, once you achieve that behavior among the early adopters, so maybe we can now start using MP4. Maybe later on we can use Microsoft formats, etc. Don't try to get the 10 different major file formats all at once at the same time, because it's going to be a headache. It's not because of plone, it's not because of Linux or Ubuntu, it's because of the codec of the different video file formats. Now the other concern is, if you use FLV, which is the smallest, because that's what YouTube uses, if you're using big screens now, versus your 15 and 17 inch in the desktop, you'll see the quality isn't good. So again, I would say, yeah, but the video is lousy because you were using the lowest quality video, which was fast video. So there's that. Those are the trade-offs that you have to contend with when you're planning to use video for your portfolio.